Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anggra Okta Saputra. I will explain the basic type of hydraulic pump. Hydraulic pump convert mechanical energy into hydraulic energy by creating flow of hydraulic fluid. The function of pump is to create flow of hydraulic fluid to power and implement to the works. Gear pump. Gear pumps are the simple, most rugged and expensive of all pumps. They have the highest resistance to debris damage and are used in applications where low pressure and high constant flow rates and request. Gear pumps are almost always used as loop pumps for energy and hydraulic pump for transmission. They are also used as torque converters effect pump. Line gear displacement gear pump with rate working pressure up to pieces were used for many years as main implement hydraulic pump on all well loading and castable found on some similar machines. How gear pump work? Typical gear pump push to strike good gear of the same size. One gear is driven by the engine or pump drive and chooses the other gear to rotate as well. Gear pump moves oil by trapping oil at the pump. In the space between the rotating gear lead and pump housing. As trapped oil reaches the pump outlet, the heat from the two gas mix, forcing the oil from between the T and into the pump outlet. Gear pump are fixed displacement pump because the flow of trapped oil between a gear to does not change. In order to increase the outflow rate, a gear pump must be driven at a fast speed. Gear pumps are well suited for low pressure, high flow application where long life and resistance to drive damage is important. Fan pump. Fan pumps are also relatively simple and inexpensive. They are not as rugged as gear pumps but have high pressure capacity. Fan pumps have less resistance to debris damage than gear pumps, but more resistant than piston pumps. They were used as main implement hydraulic pump on smaller, well-loaded and many track type tractor. How fan pump work? Fan pump have four basic parts: one housing, two cambering, three rotor, four fans. The house consists an electric speed capacity or cambering, in which the rotor rotates. The rotor has huge that hold moving flat curvy fan. The rotor is driven by the pump input shaft. The rapid rotation of the driven rotor creates centrifugal force, which causes the fans to seal outward from the rotor and maintain contact with the adhering cambering. As the fans approach the inner port, the accurate period of the pump housing gear gear. The fans seal further of the rotor creating a larger volume between events. Oil from the inward port is trapped in the air between the penis and is pushed toward the outlet port. As the penis nears the outlet port, the skin port of the housing gears flare. The penis are forced in and the trapped volume between two penis gets smaller. Oil trapped in the skin space between his penis is forced into the output of the pump and flow to control valves and implement. Piston pump. Axial piston pumps are the most efficient and compact and have the highest pressure capability of all the pumps. They are also the most effective and less resistant to debris damage. Piston pumps are used in most high performance machining applications. Examples include main implement pump for excavator and larger wheel loader. How piston pump work? Piston pump have four basic parts: 1. Housing, 2. Switch plate, 3. Pump barrel and piston, 4. Port plates. The pump house contains an rotating barrel that is driven by the pump input shaft and rotates on the same axis as the input shaft. The barrel contains a number of piston bores and registers fixed sliding piston. The number of pistons varies with pump design but usually ranges. Piston has a flywheel cylinder that is connected to the piston body by a friction ball joint. The cylinder is in contact with the engine switch plate L-team. The end of the barrel of precedes the switch plate has a steel fork plate that rotates with the barrel. Sekian, terima kasih, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.